Hi, my name is Lisa Andresen. I'm a therapist specializing in depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. What I often see is when people are feeling depressed, when they're feeling down, what that involves is low motivation, low energy, feeling unlike yourself, feeling like nothing is good enough and nothing is going to make you feel better. And so what I'm going to introduce to you is a strategy that's based in cognitive behavioral therapy and behavioral activation. Cognitive behavioral therapy has this premise that your thoughts, your feelings, and your behaviors all influence each other. So here we're talking about behaviors that can help you feel better. And with behavioral activation, the premise there is that you do the things that you know might make you feel better, even if you don't feel like it. And the hope is that if you can just get yourself to do these certain things, then you'll feel better afterwards. And I know that's not easy because things are absolutely harder when you're feeling down. And so let's be a bit strategic about the things that you do invest, the little energy you might have into doing. And the mnemonic here is ACEs. A for achievement, C for closeness, and E for enjoyment. Let's start with achievement. There's nothing like getting something done to give you a nice little self-esteem boost. And maybe that's something with your work. Maybe that's a project around the house. Maybe that's cleaning your room, tidying your desk, finishing that book you've been wanting to. Closeness. Now that's, reaching out to someone in your life, whether that's a friend, a family member. And I know that oftentimes when people are feeling down, they don't want to burden other people. They tend to withdraw from people. You might not be feeling so shiny. You don't want to deal with putting on a face for other people. But even if you don't feel like it, just to connect with someone for a little bit can help you improve your mood. It can distract you from the inner turmoil that might be coming up for you. For enjoyment. Now this one's not so easy, right? Especially when it's hard for you to enjoy things that you used to enjoy. So this might take some brainstorming, might take some trial and error. It might take trying 10 things to find the thing that just sparks joy for you. One thing that you might think of is, what's brought you enjoyment in the past? Maybe as a kid. Maybe that's doing some origami. Maybe that's doing a little doodling. Maybe that's taking a walk, playing with your dog. Whatever that might be for you, it'll be different for everyone. And you know what else? It might be different day to day, depending on your mood. You might enjoy doing something a little more laid back. You might enjoy doing something a little more active at a different point. What I do suggest though, is if you're feeling down, if you're feeling unmotivated, tired, little bit hopeless that anything might help get you out of this funk, try pushing yourself a little bit to do one of these ACEs. Even if you don't feel like it right now, try and think of something that could bring you a sense of achievement, closeness, or enjoyment. Take care of yourself, and I hope you feel better soon.